Hello students, welcome to this video tutorial on hashtag number of the day. So in this video tutorial, we're going to focus on these first two sections. So how much do you remember about these math concepts? So let's break them down. Okay, so let's look at the first concept, even or odd. Why? So I'm just going to review the definitions of these two concepts. So an even number can be divided evenly into groups of two. Okay? Or another way we can say it is, or it is divisible by 2. Okay? Another way we can say it is that the last digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay? So some examples of an even number. Examples, so how about 2, 12, 20, 100, 548. Okay, so that's an even number. So what's the definition of an odd number? Well, an odd number is exactly the opposite. So odd number cannot be divided evenly into groups of two. In other words, or it is not divisible by 2. Okay? Last digit is a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. And some examples are 11, 21, 35, 101, 763. Okay? So how would we answer this question with the number of the day being 12? So here's one way we can answer it. So 12 is even. Okay, I think we all could answer that. 12 is even because it is divisible by 2. Okay, it can be divided by 2. Another way of saying that is it is divisible by 2. Okay, and the last digit is a 2. Okay, so in this case, our number of the day, 12, is even because it's divisible by 2 and the last digit is a 2. Okay, so how about the next section? How much do you remember of these concepts? Okay, so what is the difference between a prime number and a composite number? So a prime number has only two factors, okay? 1 and itself, okay? So a prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. So it can be divided, can only be divided by 1 and itself. So how is that different from a composite number? So a composite number must be opposite. So a composite number has more than two factors, okay? Can be divided by 1 and itself and at least one other number. And at least one other number. Okay? So let's think about 12. Well, 12 can be divided. Our number of the day is 12. 12 can be divided by 1 and 12, but it also can be divided by 2 because it's an even number. It can be divided by 3. It can be divided by 4. And it can be divided by 6. So in this case, when we write our answer, we can say 12 is a composite number. And our reason is because it can be divided by more numbers than 1 and itself. So that is one way we can answer this question. Another way you could have written is 12 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. So there's different ways to kind of to explain your understanding of the difference between prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, so those are the first 2 sections for hashtag number of the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.